Hi everyone, my name is June and I'm a graduate rotational program engineer in orthopedics based out of Memphis, Tennessee. I started working at Smith Nephew 2 years ago as a product support co-op, and I completed my 3 rotations last summer, August 2020. I decided to return to Smith Nephew as my first full-time job post-grad because of my positive experience as a co-op student. Another attractive point for me was this specific rotational program. This program allows me to learn about the various career paths and find out what I truly am passionate about. Even though I've only been in my position for about a month, I have been given so many learning opportunities, from an upcoming extensive GD&T training to simply sitting in on meetings to learn more about what others do. I think Smith & Nephew is a great company with many growth opportunities for everyone.